Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I just have small Ipsy. I don't know if it's the plus. I don't think it's the plus. I'm not sure. But I know I'm getting a glam bag, so I'm not sure. We'll find out when I open it. And then I have a reading, of course. So, April 22nd, Small Decisions. Today I know that life is made up of little things. What makes or breaks the day are the small moments. What makes or breaks a life is how we live it day to day. It is the hardly perceptible decisions I make throughout my day that add up to how I spend my time and what it feels like. If I need to handle a situation differently, it is generally not one large decision that will mark the overall change, but 1,000 small ones. It is much more difficult for me to be present in the process of ordering and reordering small things than large things. It is the little decisions of the day that confound me, translating a large resolve into the many small actions that will make it real. I show up for the small things. Be grateful for luck. Pay the thunder no mind. Listen to the birds. And don't hate nobody. UB Blake. That is the reading right there. And this book, it's all damaged, I love it so much. But this is what it's called. It's called Forgiving and Moving On. It just says Daily Affirmations, Forgiving and Moving On. Inspirational for Personal Change. Tion Dayton, PhD. Right there's the name. But yeah, it's a beautiful book. It's my sister's book. Remember I said I wanted to read. Okay, I wanted to read that one from the other day about having my own life. So that was April 16th, and it's called Having My Own Life. I will have my own life today. I spent a long time taking care of other people, so long that I learned to feel safest as the person behind the scenes, competent and sustaining of others. It is good to help others, but not to hold them up. Not only will they not learn to stand on their own feet, but if at some point they choose to have their own life, I will experience their moving away as a profound rejection and a sort of personal death. When I take care of everyone but myself, I die a little each day. I am in need of care and upkeep just as they are. And when I neglect myself, I neglect my life. I will take care of my own life. Listening well and beautifully and justly are all one thing. And that was the reading there. Okay. So those are two readings, one from today and one that I wanted you guys to hear that I read. So yeah, I did my makeup this morning. My blush is actually still on. I used that Huda Beauty, the Huda Beauty 3D, the little palette with 4 pans. I believe I got it in an Ipsy bag. Yeah, I did. But I used that today. I don't have foundation on. I just have concealer. I used that Makeup Forever concealer that sets on its own, self-setting concealer. I used that, and I used everything in that palette for the glow and stuff. And I really like it. And then I went into my It Cosmetics palette. It has 4 pans in there, and I used some of that blush on up here. So I don't know, it's a lot of blush, but I like it. Usually the blush fades first, but in this situation, the blush is still going strong. I like it. I like a good blush look because that's just my normal face is red. So yeah, okay, let's open this up. Here are our products. It says discover yourself. Okay. Nothing. Oh, here we go. Okay, it says full bloom. Hashtag Ipsy full bloom. Mother Nature's finest work. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state. curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. Okay, so there's that, and inside we have our little products. On top it says roses are red, violets are blue. These 5 Glam Bag Plus products, valued at $120, were picked just for you. That's cute. Alright, so first we have the Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask, MSRP. What? I believe it says $49. I don't understand the prices for these masks, you know. That's a bit ridiculous in my opinion, and I never heard of Bloom Effects, you know. Okay, it says the secret to a fresh, dewy face, dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask, Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex, are straight magic for skin. Wear it 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past. And then the next thing I have is the Shayna B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette. It says, consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. And even though they're powders, they feel like creams. Think smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. MSRP $20. There it is. It's really pretty. Cute little mirror. Remember the shades. Yeah, they're really pretty. Look at those, see the reflex in there? Oh, there we go. You see those reflex? Ooh, so pretty. There we go. That is so pretty. Wow. Wow. I'm definitely gonna play with this next year. Yeah, heck yeah. That's beautiful. Cute palette. $20 ain't too bad. Next we have Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. And then it says TBH, we'd love just 1 Tarte liner, but 2. Yup, Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. Use this pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. MSRP is $24 for this. $24. So let's see here. And it's a liner. On one side you have your flick. Nice. And on the other side you have your waterline liner. Nice. Ooh, that's creamy. For show. What, yeah? I know, it's so beautiful. Look what my baby made today. Ah! My eyeball fell off. I'll fix it, baby. It's a little, because I'm his teacher. His Head Start, they send little, activities so I can teach him at home, and it's pretty fun. We do a little thing each day, and yeah, it's fun. I'll fix that, baby. Just don't lose it. Leave it right there. I'll grab some more glue. Sit down. Okay, so yeah, that was $24. Next product I have is this, and it's by Galactic Beauty, and it's called Jello Gloss Balm. MSRP is $18. It says, forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. Don't do that, baby. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need. Plus, an extra glossy look is gorgeous on everyone. And then, let's check out a Jello Gloss Balm, huh? cute little packaging. Looks really shiny. See that? Ooh. That is so soft. Really weird. It's almost like it's... How in the heck do they even have it in here? Because it feels like it's melted already. That's pretty cool. The next thing we have is this Star Skin BIP Creme de la Creme Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Base and the Diamond Mask VIP. It says MSRP is $30. So $30 for these masks, I guess. This one says the Diamond Mask, Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose Space Mask. Looks like that. And then this one is the Star Skin VIP Creme de la Creme Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. Looks like that. And so yeah, those are the face masks. It says no time for a spa facial. NBD 15 minutes with one of these sheet masks will give your skin the same luminous look. The Creme de la Creme mask is coated with nearly half a jar of cream, and the Diamond Mask is packed with a rich botanical serum to make your skin glow. Nice. It says tip, use one before bed and then massage in the serum or cream as an intensive overnight treatment. I'm going to do that tonight for sure. And then the bag we got is so cute. Look at this little bag. And it comes with this little thing on it. Is that not so cute? Look at that. A little wooden zipper thing. Well, open. What the heck? I'm having difficulties opening it. Maybe it's... What on earth is going on here? I don't want it to break already. Oh, there we go. Yeah, cute. Look at that. Yeah, that's cute. So what if my little stuff can fit in there? Let's see here. I think they are. I think they will. Yeah, everything fit in here except for these masks. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my god, I bet my grandma would love this. I might just give this to my little grandma. My little bitty grandma. Okay, so I'll put the prices up here somewhere for how much this is. And I only pay for Ipsy Plus. I believe we pay $25. I'm pretty sure there's taxes involved there. And I love the Ipsy Plus. That's a good. It was a good one. I would have liked some eye brushes, like how they throw an eye brush in. I like when they do that. It makes me really happy. So yeah, that is my mask. That is my reading. And yeah. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I hope everything is going good at home with you guys. Let me know how quarantine is treating you and how life is treating you. And I send out my love, my prayers to everybody. Yeah, just hang on. Live in the moment. You know, play with your kids. Bond. You know, I know it gets hectic when you have more than one kid, and you know, we're gonna get through this. You just gotta stay positive. You gotta count your blessings. We are all blessed. Like, you know, at least we have a home. We have our babies. We have, you know, our family's safe or whatever. Even if our family's sick, you know, I just send prayers for everyone out there who's been affected or anything. And just hang in there, guys. You know. Put out positive vibes and let your faith guide you, let your heart guide you, make good decisions, be safe. Don't go out unless you have to. God bless you. Have a good rest of your night, or your day, or your night. Yeah. With that, I gotta go. Love you guys. Bye.